What's up, followers?
They are jumping and there you have a panel. It's forbidden to swim. Since there is no alcohol, nobody is welcoming here in Paris.
I'm not gay.
You was swimming? Yeah, they are doing push-up. Hey guys, welcome back. We're still here in Paris. It's a heat wave today, 40 degrees. And most of people during this weather try to find where they can refresh themselves. And one of them, or the only one here in Paris, is Canal Saint Martin. We are going there to film the vibe and maybe swim there and film the experience of swimming in this Canal Saint Martin. Let's go. So normally since last year we can swim in the Seine, but not in all the Seine, only some area of the Seine where they clean them. I think 3 or 4 areas in the whole Paris where you can swim in the Seine. But the problem, those areas are not open yet for public, so people just look for any other spot to swim, and one of them is Canal Saint Martin. Last week I saw so many videos of people swimming in La Seine. Also we filmed some of them swimming during Fête de la Musique. Today is chill. Today we are Saturday. We will see is there people who are swimming there or no. Normally the mayor of Paris said that it will be open for public for swimming, Canal Saint Martin, but not the whole Canal Saint, only small part of the canal where you can swim. So we will go there. We will try maybe to interact with some people. Maybe we will swim. I'm not very tempted to swim there. It's not really clean, but we will see depending on the vibe. Just arrived, guys. It's the beginning from here. So many people. Most of them are doing picnic. People still warming up. Oh, they are verbalizing people who are drinking near the canal, because normally you can't drink near the canal, so all the picnic that you are seeing is alcohol free. Who could imagine that one day a country like France and Paris will say no to alcohol, which is part of the patrimony of the country, the wine, the cheese, that's the typical picnic. But due to the heat wave, now they are giving fares for people who are drinking next to the canal. Yeah, that's what's happening here. So all of people here can drink alcohol. They will just sit and chill while doing a picnic. But we're still heading to the place where it's okay to swim. For now, all those areas are not allowed to swim. I feel very tempted to swim. He's throwing water. Oh, they are swimming. We even have a ladder here. It's cold. Oh, it's cold. Yeah, let's go up and film people jumping from the bridge. Normally they are not allowed to go up, and everyone just cross like that. See how many people. Everyone is jumping. It's very high. He will jump. It looks dangerous. You have even kids jumping. Film someone doing a backflip or something. There is those two, maybe they will jump. He's stuck it in the one.
I just got caught.
1, 2, 3. Ah! He didn't jump.
Go.
It's dangerous. Yeah, but nobody is doing backflip or something artistic. In fait, de la musique, it was better. Today is soft, people still warming up.
Bisma, là, c'est bon pas. 1, 2, 3, bisma. Oh, mon gars, ah, tu me zaffes là. 1, 2, 3, bismillah. 1, 2, 3, bismillah.
Wow, it's the best dive so far.
Wesh. Wesh. Ouais, mon rêve.
Why they throw?
3, 2, 1, ouais. Allez, voir. Bouteille, ouais, prends le bouteille.
Oh, he will collect the bottle. It's really cool. So disrespectful from people to throw like that bottles
Yes,
in
yes.
the water.
Yes, I'm not pollution, no. 1, 2, 3, bismillah. 1, 2, 3, bismillah. 1, 2, 3, bismillah. Ouais. Ah, frérot, fais attention.
It was very dangerous.
Go, allez.
More photograph than divers here. See two here, yeah, one girl there, this guy, there is 4 photographers in this bridge. Hi. Why are you taking picture? For a vlog or
I don't know yet.
personal or project? You can speak in French. I
Ok, en fait,
understand.
ça fait longtemps que je voudrais travailler sur les gens qui plongent, mais je pensais plutôt aller dans le sud de la France. Et en fait, c'est tout à Paris, il y a des gens qui plongent.
You was filming every day. Tu étais en
Non,
continu
c'est la
qu'aujourd'hui.
première-
Ah,
ouais,
ok.
mais oui, demain, je pense que je vais venir avec
Tôt.
un
Ouais. T'as pris de bonnes prises?
Ça, c'est bien, ouais, pas mal. Il faut chercher un peu.
Tu vas plonger? Me neither. It's very scary. Thank you. She's scared.
J'ai peur, comment t'as fait?
Close your eyes. Yeah, it's really cool, the vibe here on the bridge. But let's go down, try to swim. I think I'm going to swim. Yeah, I think I will swim in this area.
Monsieur, you speak English?
Yes.
Attends,
Tu peux dire en français, je comprends.
tu comprends le français aussi? Est-ce que tu veux que je parte la caméra, je vais au bout et je
No,
saute?
no. Yeah, I think I will swim here. Because in this area you have a ladder. The hardest part of swimming in the canal is not to jump in, it's to get out. So maybe I will sit here. Don't know where is the closest ladder from here. Here we are just near the ladder. I will sit here. Paris is not safe. Today we will do a test. We will keep this bag without any monitoring and we will see if someone will steal it or no. We're ready. Let's prepare ourselves and jump inside of the water. 1, 2, 3. So refreshing. I lost my glass. Thank you. Let's see what we have now. It's totally dark. You can see nothing. It was useless to bring this cover of the camera to film the deep, but actually there is nothing to film. Actually, it's not too cold. Outside. Yeah, what is cool, I found back my bag, so yeah, Paris is safe. And if you still feel hot in your living room, come join us and swim here in Canal Saint Martin. Yeah, it was so refreshing, this swimming session here in Canal Saint Martin. Let's go nearby and try to interact with people. Really summer vibe here in Paris. Yeah, what's happening here? Yes.
What's up, followers?
Hey, what's up? Oh, people are meeting each other here. You have a cool camera.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
What are you doing?
It's a 60mm camera.
Okay.
Yeah.
You are doing an artistic project?
Yeah, I'm just filming some of the jumpers and like stayed around for a bit like the last few days.
First day here or you have been before in this canal?
I mean, I'm here since like I moved to Paris 4 years ago.
4 years ago.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like, how about you?
same, moved 10 years ago.
10 years ago.
You like Paris?
Yeah, I would say so. Yeah, I mean, I think that my first summer was the best. But yeah. I
You
mean,
swim here or not yet?
I didn't jump in yet. No.
You should.
Yeah, I like to shoot more.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Yeah, bye bye.
He found the chain. You found it? Tu l'as trouvé?
I'm not gay.
You're not gay.
No.
Who said to you you are gay?
No. He's my jolly. He's my jolly.
Where do you find it?
jolly.
Where do you find it?
Why?
Where do you find it?
Yeah.
Où tu l'as trouvé?
Par terre.
Oh, it's cool.
I am gay.
The champion. No, wait, there is something. Next time we will try to jump from the bridge. Still not courageous yet to do it. Actually, it's very high. Yeah, they are doing push-up. Hey. Wow, what a strength, guys. Actually, there is a lot of police. I don't know why they are interpeling some people because of drugs, alcohol. Who knows? It's getting dark here. We will leave. It was a really cool day. Canal Saint Martin, best option here in Paris to refresh yourself. You was swimming? It was good. They are playing football there. Don't know how they arrived there. It's closed. Yeah, I don't know. I didn't find any cool people to interact with. Most of the people are in group, chilling. Very hard to start the conversation with them. And since there is no alcohol, nobody is welcoming here in Paris because they become more open when they drink alcohol. So since they didn't drink anything, it's very hard. Everyone is watching. It's too long to wait. You should jump. Yes, finally. Even kids are swimming. They are jumping and there you have a panel. It's forbidden to swim. Guys, we should rate the jumps. Let's give a rate for each jump. Yeah, it's cool. Ooh, dangerous. They can hit each other. That's it, guys, for Canal Saint Martin. Tell me, what do you think about this day? It was really cool, very refreshing. Tell me in the comment section which jump you like it the most. Put the timestamp of the jump to share it with the others. Hope to see you in another vlog video. I hope next time it will be cooler than today. And yeah, take care here in this hot weather in Paris. À bientôt.